Ladies and gentlemen, we got another install coming up. This one's gonna be different because I can't do it in my house because all my stuff is in storage. So I gotta go to storage and then pick up my stuff and go from there. We're installing rotors because I have cooked the ones that are on the car now and they squeak like crazy. It's really bad. So we're going to go ahead and change out the rotors. I've got them back there. I'll show you guys in detail when we get there. But these are slotted and drilled rotors. These are the first drilled rotors I've ever gotten. I have no experience with them. Some people say that they're not good, other people say that they're fine, so I guess I'll have my own experience with them. But anyway, let's go over and get these installed. And we are here. The main reason I had to come here was because my jack is in storage. And I can't really lift the car without a jack, so that's mainly why I had to come here. I also don't really have tools, but I did have some in my garage, which I just kind of threw in here. It's a huge mess. So before I continue, I might as well just show you what we are going to be installing. Bam, right here. So these are slotted and drilled rotors for a Corolla XRS. Got them from 1A Auto. TRQ is the brand. I put TRQ rotors on the Camry and they've been working pretty well, so I trust them. I don't know much about the brand, but they look pretty solid, so I'll trust them. And now we install them. Let me stop the video real quick. Before we continue, I want to give a shout out to this week's sponsor, jack stands. Okay, so it's not a real sponsor, but I do really want to stress the importance of jack stands. In this video, I'm not using jack stands. Do not follow this. The reason I didn't use jack stands is because my jack stands are currently sitting in the back of my storage unit, and they're a bit tricky to get to. I gotta move a whole bunch of stuff. I was lazy. I didn't want to. I cannot put enough stress on the importance of using jack stands and being safe while you work on your car. I decided to be risky and take my chances, and luckily enough, I didn't get hurt and the car didn't come crashing down. Nothing bad happened. But there's always that chance if you don't use jack stands. So I just want to be clear about this. As a creator, I want to be a good role model as well, on top of, making videos. And part of that is expressing the importance of safety. Got it? Very nice. All right. Now we can get back to the video. Every time I do the rear brakes, I forget about the parking brake. Every time. I do it every time. rotor install completed. We got those ones there. We got the ones on the front. These ones are better than the last ones because they got a little like coating or like paint on them. It's not like oil coating, so I don't have to use brake cleaner, but it's like paint basically. So this section on like the last rotor is rusted because the pads don't take up the full space of the rotor. But this one's not gonna rust, at least I hope not, because of this paint coating. So there we go. I will definitely make updates about how these are doing, you know, once I start driving them, because this is my first experience with slotted and drilled. I've done slotted and I've done normal, obviously. I've never done drilled rotors, and there's some mixed reactions on people who run them. So I will keep all of you updated on how these do, if they crack or if they last a long time. And then there's me. I am going home now. Also, I did a little investigating, so I want to test something. Is the clunk noise still here? Because I saw my sway bar was a little disconnected at the joint. What is it called? I'm so tired now because I've been working in like almost 90-degree weather for 2 hours on this car. So anyway, no clunk. Let's go. I figured it out. I spoke too soon. There's a little bit, but it's not nearly as bad as before. So victory, let's go. I can barely hear it even with music off. So when I'm running the AC and I'm playing music, I'm not even gonna hear it. And everything on this car feels good, so I know it's nothing dangerous, so we should be good. But yes, let's do it. Brakes are working good as well. Yeah, I'm happy. Also, one final update before I finally end the video. Subi and Miata are in this new place now. This is not mine, I'm just renting space here. And this is not their final parking spot. They're gonna be parked right over where that boat is. That's gonna get moved, and then we're moving these two cars over to that space. But this is where they're gonna sit for now, and they're not gonna be at my house because we gotta empty it. Anyway, I thought I'd mention because I had to stop by and grab something, so I figured I have my camera on me. I'd mention it because if I film in my house, and you'll kind of see that they are missing. So now you know where they are. They're just chilling out. Now I'm going home because I'm thirsty. And that is it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed. Thank you all so much for watching. It has been a real good minute since I've installed anything. I know rotors aren't exactly cool. I know you all want to see the turbo get put on one day. That's gonna have to wait just a little bit. Really, I do appreciate all of you tuning in to see the new install. If you enjoyed, go ahead, leave a like, comment down below, subscribe to the channel if you are new. I will see you all in the next video. Goodbye.